Hello students, hope you all are safe and fine at home. Here we are starting with our English lesson. Our first topic is figure of speech. Now, what is figure of speech? So, figure of speech are the words or phrases that make our language beautiful, effective and impressive. That means you can use these words to make your language more impressive, and you can use these figure of speech while writing letters and essays. Now let's see our first figure of speech, that is simile. It is very easy figure of speech. What we have to do while identifying the simile is that you have to read a sentence, and if a sentence contains as or like, so you can tell easily that the sentence is of simile. So let's see the definition first. Simile is, it is a direct comparison between two different objects, things, etc. using as or like. So now let's see the example. Like if you have a sentence, he is as brave as a lion. Now as you see, the first sentence has given as in it. So if you see as in a sentence, immediately this is the indication that it is a sentence of simile. Like we see next one, this room is as hot as a furnace. Now here also we have seen that as is written. So if a sentence has as in it, that means this sentence is of simile. Let's see few more examples to make it more clear. Our next example is, like a nightmare fled the night. Now as I told you and as we have seen in the definition, that if a sentence has as or like in it, it shows that a sentence is simile. So here as is not given, but like is written. So again this sentence is of simile. Again we see the next one, that beat into my ears like gong. Again as is not given, but like is written. So again this sentence is of simile. She was as merry as a rose. Here as is given, so the sentence of simile category. Again the two sentences we have seen, which is written, he behaves like a silly mouse. Like is there, so it's simile. And the last one, the fact is as clear as crystal. Here as is given, so as indicates that this sentence is of simile. Now let's see the next figure of speech, that is metaphor. Now here the definition is given that it is implied simile. That means here, like we have seen in simile, the direct comparison is done, but now in metaphor indirect comparison is done. Now let's see how the indirect comparison is done. So first sentence is, he is a lion. That means he is compared with lion. Okay, so he is a person and this person is compared with a lion in an indirect way. Here we are not finding as or like or anything like words in it. Okay, now next sentence is, this room is a furnace. That means the room is indirectly compared with the furnace. So this indirect comparison shows that this sentence is of metaphor. Let's see few more examples. The first, rock cut temples are the epics in the stones. Now here the temples are compared with the rock cut temples are compared like the epics in stone. So this is an indirect comparison between the two. Their waves were the light of life. Here waves are compared with the light of life. Tansen was called the chief jewel in his diadem. Now here we see that Tansen, he is compared indirectly with a jewel, a precious stone. Mirror is the eye of little god. Here mirror is compared with a little god. And the last one, he is the lion. So he is compared indirectly with a lion. Our next figure of speech is alliteration. It is very easy. Alliteration is that in this figure of speech, letter is repeated. Okay, letters are repeated. Now here we see the example, the bright bird flew. So as you see, B letter is repeated more than one time. So if a letter is repeated more than one time, so it shows that this sentence is of alliteration. Next sentence, 4 fools fall in a fountain. As it is marked and as it is shown, F letter is repeated more than one time. So this is alliteration. Again we will see few examples. With a simple sign of sound, something is mysterious. Here S sound is repeated. So alliteration. She was shivering with shock. Now here SH is repeated more than one. So this is alliteration. Over the waiting waves there is a warning. As you see, W is repeated. Next sentence, the black sky was blaring to burn blue. B is repeated. And in the last sentence, simple sunlight, silence is hovering there. So here S is repeated. So all these letters all these sentences where letter is repeated more than once, these are the sentences of alliteration. Now here we have seen this 3 figure of speech. We will continue more figure of speech in the next video. Thank you.